Well, here is an update on that part of that tree, half of that tree, and the little electric chainsaw worked pretty good yesterday. So this is what's left of the tree, and there's the ash pile for all of the little bitty branches. But this electric chainsaw does a pretty good job. I will tell you, on some of these larger rounds, like I think that's about close to 12 inches, and then down at the base is around 18 inches. With that electric saw, you're probably going to get 12 cuts before the battery needs to be recharged. I've got some started here, and we'll finish this piece up later. But over here, this is what I'm going to start on today. Back's sore from yesterday, so I don't know how much I'll get done, but this is the next tree that we'll be working on. Work on that a little today and tomorrow and next day. Get that cleaned up. And then after that, we've got that tree there, and that tree there, and those trees there, and those trees there, and those trees there, and those trees there. And then after I get done with that, that oak tree right there has to come down, and then this oak tree has to come down, and then the biggest sucker, the most difficult one, is going to be this one right over the house. I cut its twin down. That's what I just cut up. And if you see, all the foliage is going over the house because the twin was going this way, and this one was going this way, which is quite a bit over the house. So we're gonna have some fun with this one. Let's look underneath here and see what kind of, see how it kind of twists towards the house some. It's not terrible. We'll get her done. All right, I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head and get started on this one. But yeah, I'm not gonna get it all done in one day. That's for sure.